Hey, what's up guys? RJ here, back with a quick video. In this video we're going to take a look at how to control your 3D printer with your home automation system, in my case HomeSeer, using a simple watt meter that you can find on Amazon for less than $30. Alright, so without further ado, let's check it out. Okay guys, so let's just take a quick look at how I have HomeSeer set up, monitoring the watt meter. Here is of course my FlashForge Creator Pro devices and of course my Select Mini, and they're both set up the same. So we'll go over to the Events tab, and by the way I'm using two plugins. I'm using Easy Trigger and I'm also using the Push over plugin in addition to it. Just makes programming a little easier here. So you can see I've got the same events for the Select Mini as I do for the FlashForge Creator Pro. So we'll first start with the Filtration On events. So basically what this is doing, it's looking for the wattage to be in the range of 25 to 200 for 1 minute. If that is true, then it's going to check the status of my other Z-Wave switch that just turns the filtration on and off. If it's off, it will then turn it on. From there, it's also going to turn on my sensor's relay vent override. And basically what it is, it's a system I've got that turns on a fresh air return system, brings in fresh air into the house, and in addition to that circulates it via the heat pump's air handler fan. So once that takes place and you're printing along and the print completes, then this event will take place, and you can see this is the message, and then this here is the power down sequence. Let's take a look at the message first. So basically what this is doing, it's looking for a watt range between 40 and 300 that becomes 0 to 35. So if this is true, then, and the this is actually his old code. This actually is always on. It's going to wait 2 minutes and then send a pushover event to my cell phone, and it simply just says, FlashForge Creator Pro print has completed. So from there, that's the message that's sent to my phone to let me know that the printer has completed. And then from there, this power down sequence is also looking. So if the wattage has been in the range from 0 to 30 for exactly 30 minutes, then, and the wattage switch is on, it will then send another push message to my cell phone just telling me that we're powering down the FlashForge Creator Pro. It waits 5 minutes, then it runs this event, which is this one, which we'll take a look at in a second, the Filtration Off event. Waits 5 minutes and then powers the switch off. So let's take a look at the Filtration Off switch. So basically, of course, this is triggered by the power down event, and it just simply turns the Z-Wave filtration switch off and turns the fresh air return override off. And that's pretty much it. So your basic functionality is you can control on and off events, and I'll get into that in a different video where you can use Alexa to do that. Alexa, turn on Creator Pro.
Okay.
You can also send messages to your push messages to your cell phone when a print is done, and you can automatically turn the printer off and power it down. So I don't like to leave prints running while I'm not home, but on occasion there has been a time or two where, of course, I've had to do so, and I'd rather know what's going on with the print if at all possible. In addition to that, I don't like the printer to be running when it's completed, just consuming energy. So I figured this is a pretty cheap way to do basic control via your home automation system and a cheap, less than $30 Z-Wave watt meter. Well, that's about it, guys. So with a simple, cheap Z-Wave watt meter and your home automation system, you can add basic control functionality to any 3D printer or any device really that consumes power. It doesn't necessarily have to be a 3D printer. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them below. And until next time, take care, guys. Alexa, turn off Creator Pro.